Hi guys, Miss LaFrance here. I am here with your Unit 2 video review. I'm going to do this review a little bit different from the one I did for the last unit, where I'm going to show you where to get all the answers for them. Because I had a few students who just printed copies of what I provided last time, and I don't think that really helps you. And I also had some students who said they couldn't find answers in what we've studied. So since this unit we did not use the textbook, I'm going to go through where you should be able to find your answers to the material and where you can find copies of what you might be missing in your notebook. So what I did first was I took the study guide that you should have received in class, and I color coded it. So questions 1 through 9 are all types of government. This is what we started the unit out with. So if you have it in your notebook, the notes that we took in class, also with that, I posted it on the wiki page here, c305.wikispaces.com. If you scroll down, this is all the stuff we've done in this unit. Here's all the material for types of government, okay? So all this is going to help you. This one's going to be your easiest bet. If you go into here, we're going to click this. Okay, so if you have this worksheet in your notebook, this is really going to help you because we broke everything down and it gave you examples. Most of the questions for numbers 1 through 9 are asking you for definitions of types of government right here. And they're also asking you for examples, which we have right here. Now, if you don't have this worksheet with you, or you can't find it, or you don't have the answers to it, you're going to want to go back to the site here, and we're going to look for some help. And this up here are copies of the notes that we took in class. So if you click that, open it, it's going to look like this. And this is just a typed version of the notes that you should have in your notebook. And also, the second page is a copy of the chart. So this is the one that we did in class the day the homework was due and you came up to the smartboard. So if you don't have your worksheet done or with you, you can definitely use this to help you out. So again, that's on the website. This is all types of government. So this is the notes, and here's the chart. Okay, going back to the review sheet. Questions 10 through 16 are all talking about the Articles of Confederation. Okay, so again, this should be in your notebook, but if not, you're going to go back to my website, and the older stuff is towards the bottom, so you're going to move up towards the top. Articles of Confederation, and here are the worksheets that we used in class. This is your performance task. That's not going to be on the test. Here we go. Copy of the notes we took during class. So you're going to click on them, and I have it open already. So this is the first set of notes that we took, where we actually went through the PowerPoint. We copied this information down together. And then also on the site, you'll find, we don't need this anymore, you'll find the second set of the PowerPoint where we went through and we made the foldable. So all of your answers are going to be in here. So if you don't have your notes or the graphic organizer we made in class, these are your PowerPoints. You're going to find the answers to the questions in here. And again, that's right here on the website. Okay, let's go back to the review sheet. The last part of the review sheet, question-wise, 17 through 25, I have in pink here. These are all what we started in class and we'll be finishing up right before the test. Getting to the Constitutional Convention. So I've already posted the PowerPoint that goes along with the books that we're reading in class. And while you can't take the books home with you, you should have your notes that we started in class. So this would be the notes, so I'm just going to open that. Okay, and I took what we were using on the smartboard and I made it into slides, so you have a copy here. So some of these, like this isn't going to help you with the test questions, but if you go through, these are going to help you. When we talked about the delegates, Independence Hall is where the Constitution was written, so that's going to help you. So if you pull out your notes that you started in class and use them along with this, you should be able to fill in the blanks and definitely find the answers to the questions. And then the different parts of the questions, so here's the review games that we played, so you can go through and test yourself again. The Great Compromise, the New Jersey Plan, the Virginia Plan, they can all be found here. And at the next few slides, I put here you go. I put a bigger version of it so you can see it a lot better. So this is going to be in your notes, and these are the answers on the review sheet that you're looking for. So definitely you're going to want to use these copies of the work that we have here. So again, this should be in your notebook, but if not, it's already on the computer for you to use. Okay, so all of that is definitely going to come up on your review sheet. And then the last part of your review sheet I have in yellow. This is the open-ended question. This is the exact open-ended that will be on your test. I'm not going to change it. So you can do a dry run of it. You can, pre-write it, come up with your ideas. You can't bring your pre-write into the test with you. You can't use it on the test, but it's going to be the same question. So think about what you came up with. And I have it in yellow because it is based on the types of government. So you're going to use these questions to help you answer it. You're going to use these notes to help you answer it, okay? So make sure you answer all parts of the question. Look at the question here. Okay, list and define 3 of those government types. Explain and provide an example of the governments you listed. So you need 3 different governments. You need to tell me the definition, and then you need to give an example for each. Just like that vocabulary quiz we took in the middle of the unit. That had on the back, you had to give me examples of 4 different types of government. So you're going to pick the 3 that you remember the most and use them to answer the questions. Okay, so all of the answers to your review sheet can be found in your notebook, and they can also be found on my website. So hopefully this helps you, and make sure that you answer the questions on a separate sheet of paper in complete sentences, okay? I got a lot of review sheets from the first test that did not do that. If you have any questions, see me in class or have a parent send me an email. I'll be at school early and late before the test, so I'm definitely available to you. Also, tomorrow, Wednesday, Mr. Jahota will be offering homework help in the library, so if you're stuck on this or you don't have a computer at home, you can use his computers in the library. Thanks.